I started noticing the videos around mid-January. My YouTube recommendations shifted overnight, no more cooking hacks or gym motivation. Instead, endless clips of monkeys. Not cute ones. These were wild, staring straight into cameras with two human eyes. One viral short, a chimpanzee in a zoo enclosure, holding a cracked phone, filming itself. It looked right at the lens and made a low, chattering sound that almost sounded like words. Caption: "They see us now." #Primate rising. I scrolled past. Algorithm glitch, right? But the next day, more. A reel of a howler monkey in the Amazon, perched on a branch, mimicking a human scream perfectly. Comments: "This is edited AF, no way that's real, it's watching back." Then my For You page got personal. A TikTok duet appeared, split screen. Left, me, from months ago, a selfie video I'd posted laughing at a bad haircut. Right, a monkey, same pose, same expression, mimicking my laugh exactly. The monkey's eyes locked on, unblinking. Voiceover:
This is a short
my
story.
voice,
The
pulled
link to
from
their
old
full
videos.
story is
You
below
think you're
on.
safe behind the screen? We're learning. I reported it. Account at Primate Mirror, 0 followers, created that week. No response from TikTok. That night, I couldn't sleep. Phone buzzed with notifications. New short from at Primate Mirror, footage of my street at dusk. Camera shaky, low to the ground, like filmed from bushes. It panned up to my apartment window. Light on. Curtains open. Me, silhouette, pacing. Timestamp: 10 minutes ago. I was still in the living room. I ran to the window. Nothing outside. Just Karachi traffic hum and street dogs. But my phone kept going. Live now. I clicked. Feed: dark jungle? No, my bedroom. Angle from under the bed. Me, sitting on the mattress edge, back to camera. But I was standing in the doorway, frozen. The live me turned slowly. Face not quite right, skin too smooth, eyes too wide. Behind it, shadows moved. Shapes. Long arms, hunched postures. A low voice, distorted, layered with monkey chatter: "We watched your videos. Learned your face. Your walk. Your fear." Comments rolling in fast: "WTF is this? Deepfake gone wrong, this is the creepiest thing today." Live me stood. Walked toward the camera, toward where I was standing in real life. The feed glitched, split, half live bedroom, half my actual view from the doorway. One of the shadows stepped into light. Chimpanzee. Not CGI. Real fur, real teeth. It tilted its head, mimicking my confused expression perfectly. I slammed the door shut. Locked it. Backed away. Phone buzzed again. New notification at Primate Mirror tagged me in a story. I opened it from a browser, app deleted earlier. Video: me, in this room right now, slamming the door. Filmed from the hallway vent? No vent there. Caption: "He's scared." Good. We were scared too. In cages. In labs. In your feeds. Then text overlay: "Tomorrow, we come closer." I powered off everything. Laptop, phone, smart TV. Sat in the dark. Morning came. I checked news on a neighbor's old radio. Headlines: "Viral, Primate, videos spark panic, experts say AI, but footage too realistic, reports of strange monkey sightings in urban areas worldwide." I laughed nervously. Mass hysteria. Then my neighbor knocked. "Oh Weiss, you see this?" He showed his phone. New clip trending globally. Thumbnail: my face, terrified, in my apartment. But the video was live. Right now. Camera from outside my window. Zooming in. I looked out. On the ledge across the street, a shape. Small, hunched. Watching. It raised a tiny device, phone. And waved. Slowly. Like saying hello. Or goodbye. I haven't opened any app since. But every night, around the same time the first video dropped, my phone vibrates. Even powered off. Screen lights up on its own. A single frame, monkey eyes, staring. And text, "We're not in the jungle anymore. We're in your feed. And we're coming for the real thing." I keep the curtains closed now, but I can hear them sometime the end.